Hey guys, this is Himal and today I have with me the brand new Sony SRS-XB10 portable Bluetooth speaker. Just a quick reminder that it's not the smartest from Sony and is definitely not a competitor of the Apple HomePod, Google Home or the Amazon Echo. But it really has all the great features that an average consumer would love to have. IPX water resistant, dual speaker function, a durable battery life, speakerphone silicone strap, etc. For the record, this is the green version as it comes in 6 different colors. So let's open this now. We have got some notice here. So at first we get the USB cable, which I guess must be there for the charging purpose, not the Type-C. Next we have got the speaker itself. Let's put it aside and dig further. So these are the basic paperworks, the manuals, blah blah. Alright, so here it is finally. It's really small and I love the color, bottle green. It feels very premium inspired by the rubbery finish, so you do get a good grip on it. At the bottom it has got an extra layer of rubber to keep the speaker stable in case of strong vibration. Concerning the physical interface, we get the play pause button, the add button to synchronize another speaker, the command volume up and down keys, and of course the power button itself. When it comes to the silicone strap, I would say it's a great addition and might come handy to you when traveling. You can hang it and listen to your favorite songs without having to hold it or put it somewhere. Or you can use it like a stand. Like this. Well, not like that one, of course. Yes, like this. For the input-output ports, just pull the strap on the side. This reveals the 3.5mm audio jack for wired connection and micro USB port for charging. The audio jack is back. Now that we are done with its size and look, let's get it ready for use, shall we? The setup procedure is very simple, just pair it up with your phone and you're good to go. For those who have NFC-enabled smartphones have a bit of edge over the non-NFC users. This speaker features NFC connectivity as well, so you just need to tap the back of your phone on the NFC slot and it should get connected. So finally, here we check its sound quality.
Chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone?
Yeah, I think about you all the time. Tell my friends that I'll be fine, but they know that I'll be lying. Do my best to get you out of my head, and I'll be trying to fake a smile through my days, though inside I'm steady down. I tell everything reminding me. I turn on the radio and even music haunts me. I know I told you this and I told you that, but the bottom line is, baby girl, I want you back.
Vamos a ser el amor, ya tú sabes, bebida suavemente. I want you to lose your man, lose control, but before you lose your man, cause in order to win big, you gotta be ready to lose it all.
One of the most important features of this speaker is the voice function, thanks to the dedicated microphone below the play pause button. If you're a big fan of the Apple Siri or the Google Now, you'll definitely love to have this speaker. So get your phone connected to it and you don't have to touch your phone to call someone or receive a call or maybe typing messages as well. The upward-facing woofer inside quite simulates omnidirectional sound experience, and its combination with the microphone really creates a clutter-free, hands-free interaction during communication. From a wide point of view, I personally feel that Sony has done a really great job by designing it the cheapest and smallest in the series and equipping it with the best architecture and techs out there to compress it into a compact portable Bluetooth speaker. So what do you guys think of this speaker? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to smash the like button, get subscribed and stay tuned.